Hello dancers, welcome back. My name is Rangel from Image Ballroom Dance Academy. Today I'm going to be helping you by offering 3 different types of sliding doors for the leader. Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about sliding doors and I'm going to be giving you 3 different ways on how to make it more exciting. So let's start with version number 1. We're going to start with our right foot stepping across on count 4. This is more classic way of doing the sliding door, more basic. We're going to go forward, check, replace, and we're going to go from here. We're going to do a Latin cross behind with our left foot. From here, what we're going to do, we're going to start doing upper lower body to produce a spiral, and then from here we're going to do syncopation into a cucaracha to the right, and we're going to repeat 4-1 with the right, 2 forward, check, replace 3, Latin cross 4, start driving your upper body to the left, finish this 1 syncopation with the left foot, and 2 cucaracha, and 3, 4, 1. Now the execution using your arms, we can have different variations also. We can go 4-1 where we have left arm to the side, right arm is up, and from here we keep a wide stretch with our arms. 2, 3, 4. During the spiral we can wrap the arms around the body. 1, and from here we can go 2 and 3 and 4, 1, using the basic opposition of our lower body of the arms. So this was sliding doors variation number 1. Now we continue with sliding doors variation number 2. In this variation we're going to be doing a releve. So let's start first with 4-1 with the right foot again. Again we're going to do check forward walk 2, replace the weight 3. We're going to do our Latin cross 4, 1, and from here we're going to go up and 2, lower the heel down, and 3, replace the weight, and start over from the beginning 4, 1. So let's include our arms again. 2 and 3, 4, 1, and 2 and 3, 4, 1. Of course, try to go as high as you can go on the ball of your feet, stretching your arms up and still trying to present the body towards your partner. Again, we go 4, 1. Okay, that was variation number 2 of our sliding doors. Now we continue with variation number 3. This one is going to be doing a lunge to the right. Again, we're going to start with our 4-1 on our right foot stepping forward. 2 is going to be forward, replace 3, 4. Now from here I would like you to start thinking that when we do the syncopation 4-1, and you're going to start bending your left knee, keeping your body weight related towards that left leg. Then from here we're going to send the weight 2 to the right. We're going to be replacing and 3. We're going to step forward again 4, 1. Let's include the arms. We're going to go 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Probably the hardest thing here would be standing up back on your left leg. So when you go from here, you lunge into that left leg, you gradually transfer your weight, try not to stick your bum out, try to keep with your upper body on top of your feet. When you push back, you need to think of connecting your right shoulder blade to push back onto that left leg and finish again by connecting your left shoulder blade down to your left leg, stepping across, doing your sliding door. One more time. 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. This was our 3rd variation of the sliding doors. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope that these 3 different types of doing sliding doors was helpful. Please leave any comments below if you have any questions or you would like us to discuss any other topic. Thanks for joining us today and have a great practice.